Thank you very much, Secretary Sanders. Welcome everyone to today. I know that I told Martin Meeson that we would have 1,000 people here if we weren't in the middle of a global pandemic, but everybody agreed to pay attention to social distancing norms and protocols, and we're grateful for that. So excited to have Secretary of Commerce Michelle Sanders on board and representing North Carolina throughout the country and the world. With her experience both in private enterprise and in state government, she will do an outstanding job. And there are a lot of people to thank for today, and I want to make sure that I thank former Commerce Secretary Tony Copeland for his hard work, as well as Secretary Sanders' work. Glad to be here on the stage with Chancellor Randy Woodson, with Vicki Adamson, and many other county commissioners and city councils, the Holly Springs Mayor Pro Tem Barry, and the mayor of Holly Springs. Glad to have all of you here. I think in the midst of a global pandemic, North Carolina is finding opportunity in crisis. As we see our COVID numbers decline and stabilize, and we continue to vaccinate North Carolinians in a fast and fair way, we are seeing strong job growth. Today is another shining example of that. I'm proud to announce that FUJIFILM Diosynth will build North America's largest end-to-end biopharmaceutical manufacturing facility right here in Holly Springs, Wake County, North Carolina, creating 725 new good-paying jobs. FUJIFILM already knows about North Carolina with its 637 employees at the Marshville facility. FUJIFILM will invest at least $1.5 billion in this facility, and I heard Martin mention maybe up to $2 billion. And this facility will be a state of the art when it comes to technology, but also as well as sustainability. FUJIFILM has committed to a clean energy future, as I am committed, and I think they are excited as I am about our Executive Order 80, which is going to get us to 70% carbon emission reduction by 2030 and to get us to carbon neutral by 2050. A lot of people deserve credit for this, but I know that North Carolina is a proud partner and that our economists estimate that it will have a positive impact on our economy of $5.5 billion over the next 12 years. North Carolina is becoming a biotechnology star. And it's exciting when you think about this facility, not only to imagine the jobs that are going to be created, but the lives that are going to be saved by the products that are made here. We need to thank all of our local governments, Wake County, town of Holly Springs, and all of their leaders, our Economic Development Partnership of North Carolina Executive Director Chris Chung, all of the state legislators who were involved in this, our Department of Transportation and Department of Environmental Quality, our community colleges, particularly Wake Tech here, Duke Energy, all of our universities that have participated in this, the North Carolina Japan Center, the Biotechnology Center, Bill Bullock is here, and I want to thank most of all FUJIFILM